Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. This is just a quick check-in on Saturday, April 17th, 2021. And I'm not going to do a tour of the Oasis today because I'm still not done with everything I've been working on yesterday. It was a long day. Got quite a bit done yesterday. We'll showcase it all on a Sunday morning. I'm going to change up when I do the tours. This one here is just to remind everyone, this is a value for value sort of show. And if you're getting any value out of it, please give some value back. That value can be as simple as liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Other value, hey, you're welcome to send us some money or support in any other way. You can just go to theroguestavern.com/contact. Find all the information there for doing that. Other thing you can do is buy some stuff from the store online. We have the Rogues Tavern General Store is up and running. I've got seeds. I've got herbal mixes, plant mixes. The plants themselves will be going into the store, but they will only be available for local pickup. In other words, they'll be available for pickup in Lake Cowichan area or in Victoria. One of those two places. I spend half my time here, half my time there, so I'll be happy to help out in any way. Other thing you can do to support it is go to buyorganicdirect.ca, and on that page there you can go enter any local stands that you might find. The stands we're looking for are sneezes? No, not sneezes. Stands we're looking for are library stands, seed stands, egg stands, farm stands, farmers markets, the list goes on. All the small little stands. This is hopefully going to be a centralized directory of all that stuff. I'm trying to get them entered myself, but I don't always have time to stop. But for people who walk around their neighborhoods and see those stands, hey, all it takes is on your phone, take a quick snapshot of it, go to the page, upload the photo, upload the description and the address of the stand, and boom, it goes into the directory. Really simple. It's a great thing to do to help support the show, is just by going and filling those out. What else we got going? Not a heck of a lot. Crows are heading off for their morning breakfast wherever it's at. Everything is starting to grow. It's been rather warm. Yesterday, quite a warm day. Got up to somewhere around 24 degrees, I believe, maybe even hotter. I didn't check the temperature. I was so busy I forgot to check temperatures during the day. I know in the evening when I finally sat down to enjoy my beer, it was still 20 degrees. And it was a nice, warm, beautiful evening for sitting out in the back and just enjoying what I had accomplished. So you'll see it tomorrow, what's all been done. And, well, you may have already seen some of it in the video showing what I was doing, but it's nice to see it when it's in its complete mode. At any rate, that's really all I got. No stream of consciousness this morning. You all have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Take care now. Bye-bye.
Your hips and lick your lips. Pinch your little toes in your fingertips. Toss your hair like you just don't care. But baby, I need more than your surface lure. I need more than your act. Baby, that's a fact with me. Gotta have a woman with grace. grace, not just a little pretty face. I need a honey with charm on my arm. She gotta be smart with a whole lot of heart and a big pair of eyes, and otherwise, now you can buy the best fragrance in the place. Put your best makeup all over your face. You can wear pointy shoes till you're singing the blues, and your big diamond ring sure don't really mean a thing. I need more than your silly act. Baby, that's a fact with me. Before I jump in that pot to see what you've got, I've gotta be having a sense that you're more than a frame. Cause if I have a doubt and I still try you out, I'll only have myself to blame. Yeah, you can shake your hips and lick your little lips, pinch your toes and your fingertips, toss your hair like you just don't care. And baby, I need more than your surface lure. I need more than your silly little act. Baby, that's a fact with me. I gotta have a woman with grace, not just a pretty face. I need a honey with charm on my arm. She's gotta be smart and have a whole lot of heart and a big pair of eyes. And otherwise, baby, yeah. I need more than your silly act. Ooh. You know, I see you walking up and down the street here, you're acting like you're smart. I don't want to see that act, baby. I need somebody with heart. Buy the best fragrance in the place. Put the best makeup all over your face. Wear pointy shoes till you're singing the blues, and your big diamond ring doesn't mean a damn thing. I need more than your silly act. Baby, that's a fact with me. I gotta have a woman with grace, not just a pretty face. I need a honey with charm on my arm. She's gotta be smart and have a whole lot of heart and a big pair of eyes, and otherwise, baby, that's a fact, Jack, with me.
In my country, our forefathers laid down some ground rules. Though 200 years have gone by, we live by those same rules today. But not every country is blessed with our Constitution. And to those who tear down our flag, I got something to say. Check it out. In my country, we vote on who gets to have power. Here it's not based upon how many men you can kill. And in my country, women are treated as equals. And we don't teach our children to hate and then pass it off as God's will. In my country, I'm proud to be part of my country. My country, I won't turn my back on my country. us proud. And we honor our soldiers, for they fight and they die like true heroes. No, they don't strap up onto their chest and blow themselves up in a crowd. In my country, I'm proud to be part of my country. My country, my country. I won't turn my back on my country. No way. Listen up. I'm not trying to tell you what you ought to do, but if you lived in my country, you might feel the same way too. The point I'm trying to make here is that the choice is up to you. While in your country that may not be true, but in my country that's just what we do. Looky here. In my country, we're taught that life has a value. To throw it away, I know, is truly the worst kind of sin. So let's stop the fighting, for life was meant for the living. And if there's no heaven above, I know the next best thing right here. My country, my country. I love my country, don't you? My country, my country. I'll stand by my country, won't you? My country, your country. God bless my country, my country, our country. Believe in your country. They made me a criminal, but I ain't going down. They caged me like an animal in this godforsaken town. They hang me up by rope and nail and left me there to die. With one foot in the underworld, I heard the devil cry. He shouted right tall, hang if you fall. This is your final stand. Right tall and shoot a hole in the wall and take this devil's hand. Together we will rule this land. They rolled in like a thundercloud. They stormed in from the west. My guns they blazed 1,000 times and laid that scum to rest. When everything was said and done, the devil made his pitch. I said I may not be an angel, Lord, but I ain't no devil's bitch. No, I'm gonna ride tall, balls to the wall, and make my final stand. Ride tall and let devil's hand. Alone I will rule this land. Yeah, 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 The devil came a-riding through. I told him where to go. He said, I'll make a final bet with you. The winner takes it all. His draw was quick, his aim was true. His bullet pierced my heart. But when he came to claim his rightful due, I blew those horns apart. Yeah, I shouted, ride tall, winner takes all. That was